Hey everybody, I'm David with Selman Home Inspections. I wanted to talk briefly with you guys about one of the great value added benefits of using our company over any other home inspector. I'm going to talk this morning about our affiliation and partnership with Porch.com, and there's three parts of this that I want to mention to you. First, we have the Porch Inspection Guarantee. If one of our inspectors inspects your home and misses or fails to inspect something that should have been inspected, Porch will reimburse the up to the cost of the inspection fee with a maximum of $650. That's our home inspection guarantee. Just one of the reasons that so many people choose us. Another thing that I want to mention here, the second part of this, is move in with ease. Part of the Porch program here. After your home inspection, the services, this is a home assistance gold package that comes with your inspection. It's basically like a concierge service. This will help you get moved into your house, setting up utilities, taking care of those minor repairs to help you get settled in and moved into the home. The third part of this Porch program that I want to mention to you, again, this is with Selman Home Inspection, is $200 in coupons off of home repairs. So we have this available to all of our clients, and I don't know if you can see this, but there are the coupons inside this little booklet. So these are great. They're $25 coupons each. There's $200 worth of them here. You can use them for anything like hanging artwork, installing light fixtures, gutter cleaning, power washing the house, fixing, repairing outlets and light switches, installing thermostats, all kinds of things. But $200. Again, at Selman Home Inspection, we're very serious about saving you money and creating more value for your home inspection. Again, I'm David, and I look forward to working with you soon. Thanks, and have a great day.